Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And if you're new around here, this might be something that you don't know about the Stamps of Life. On the 25th of each month, we have a release day, but it's a little bit different than our normal release days because it's items you might have seen before. What do I mean by that? Well, chances are the item I'm showing you might have been on HSN when I took it on, or maybe it was in our kit club a year ago, or maybe it was released with the other company and we're re-releasing it. You never know. Sometimes it could be just extra items we have. So the 25th is kind of our catch-up day. And there are a lot of items that we're going to catch up on today. Are you ready? First, the one that has been the most requested for like ever. I took this on HSN about 18 months ago, and let me just tell you, we have had more requests for these two dies than ever. They are the Deckle Edge dies. They're A2 in size, and they are Deckle Edge. Now, chances are you might have been able to get one. They sold out on HSN right away. Chances are you were able to get one, but you might need the other one. Now, they come with different words on the inside. So, for example, the just because comes with just a note, congrats, thanks, hello, just because, and they come with, both of them come with a layering die that looks like this with the blue all the way around, or a layering die that has the dots all the way around. So on both, they have the same card dies. The words are different. Now, if you're thinking, oh, I already have that card die set, but I want the other words. Well, you know what? The words would have been about the same price anyway, so maybe just give the card die that is extra to a friend. Here are the words for the Merry Christmas. We have a big Merry Christmas, season's greetings, Noel, happy holidays, and from our home to yours. So awesome. Deckle Edge. Go, go, go. Love the Deckle Edge. Love it, love it, love it. In fact, I even have another sample of it. Here's a sample of it. Absolutely stunning with the big Merry Christmas. So fun. Love it, right? Now, those of you in our kit club, you already have the next item. It is our A1 Elegant Edge die. Now, if you're in the kit club, this $27.99 card is already in your kit club. Whoa! I know, it's like amazing that we do that. If you're not in the kit club, you got to join. It's cheaper to be in the kit club because you get all those extra goodies than to buy this separately. But some of you can't do it or don't want to do it. Now's your chance to get this die, $27.99 value now. It's the A1, that means mini invitation size, and it is awesome. And you can put different things in there. It has different layering dies. So cool, okay? Also, something else that I took on HSN was the cards and envelopes set number 2. So we came out with one earlier, and now we have 2. You can also buy it on our website, both of them in the same set if you want to, so that's up to you. This is fun. You've got mail, SWAK, sealed with a kiss, hugs enclosed, special delivery, happy mail, air mailed with love, snail mail, and then also some lines. Now you're thinking, why do I need those lines? Well, sometimes you want to make an envelope that has lines on them. Look at that, isn't that fun? So now you can decorate your envelopes even more. Maybe you already do decorate them. Look how cute this one is. Snail mail, air mailed with love, sealed with a kiss, or you could use them to make cards. Look at that cute banner, happy mail. So fun. You could just stamp it on there, happy mail. Here's a cute one, hugs enclosed. Oh, look how fun this is on our rain boots. Rain boots, everybody loves those rain boots. Here's a cute one, special delivery, hugs enclosed, or you could look at that, it's already on there. Boom, love it, love it, love it. Now, that's now available on our website, the stamp set. We also have put together some spooky ribbons. These are ribbons that were originally released in a kit at one time or another that Faylene has put together. So there's a black one, there is a green one that has diamonds on it, there's a purple check, a dark pretty pansy seam binding, and a green spearmint with extra lines. Limited edition, once it's gone forever, okay? Last but not least, we have some dies and stamps that were in one of our kits about a year ago. This is the Holly dies, the Holly stamps. From our home to yours, you're in my thoughts, my friend. And this is the words holiday wishes. So if you missed out on any of these items when they were originally released, now is your chance to get them. Club members, yes, you get the club discount on all of these products. Check out our website for even more wonderful, awesome ideas and projects and items to purchase at thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.